This dual-band base antenna delivers impressive gain on both very high-frequency and ultra-high-frequency amateur bands, giving handhelds and base stations a noticeable boost in range and clarity. Its tall fiberglass construction, built from multiple interlocking sections, feels extremely solid once assembled and behaves much like a single continuous radiator. The antenna arrives already tuned for the intended amateur bands, so installation is essentially a matter of mounting it and connecting the feed line rather than chasing standing wave ratio adjustments. Omnidirectional coverage means you can work repeaters and local stations in every direction without constantly rotating hardware or worrying about beam alignment. Weather protection is excellent, with a sealed internal radiator, corrosion-resistant hardware, and a dark finish that shrugs off sun and rough seasons on a rooftop or tower. The included mounting bracket, stainless steel radials, and standard connector make it straightforward to integrate into an existing mast and coaxial cable setup without hunting for extra parts.